Now let's solve for x and y here. Given x plus y equals to 3 and xy equals to 2. Alright, so from here, solution, we can call the first one equation 1, then the second one equation 2. Alright, so we can make one of the variable here the subject and substitute it in the next equation. Okay, so we can make x the subject from equation 1. X the same as what? 3 minus y. So let's put 3 and 2. So x times have 3 minus y times y equals 2. That will be 3y minus y squared equals 2. So let's arrange this. That will be y squared, this one here, minus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. So we have y squared minus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. Now let's observe this one here. This one is a quadratic. So we can go by the almighty formula, or we can compute the square of this. So let's compute the square. Y squared minus 3y equals minus 2. So let's take half of y. So that will be minus 3 and 2 all squared. So add this one to it. So that will be y squared minus 3y plus minus 3 and 2. Okay, so the next one will be y minus 3 and 2 all squared. Okay, equals to minus 2 plus, so this one will be 9 and 4. Okay, so this one will be 1. Then we can find the LCM. So we have y minus 3 and 2 all squared. So the LCM is 4 here. So 1, that is that. We have minus 8. Minus 8 plus 9. Okay. So this side will be 1 over 4 y 3 on 2 all squared. So we can take square root on both sides. Y minus 3 on 2. As this one cancel out, plus or minus 1 on 2. So we have y equals to 3 on 2 plus or minus 1 on 2. So this one is the same as 3 on 2 plus 1 on 2. So this one will be 4 on 2, which is 2. And we also have 3 on 2 minus 1 on 2. That will be 2 on 2, which is 1. So we have 2 and 1. Okay. So y equals to 2 or 1. So let's look at x. So remember, x is 3 minus y. X is equal to 3 minus y. So when y equals 2, when x will be 3 minus 2, which is 1. So when x, so that we can have a table. x, y. When x is 1, y is 2. And when y is 1, x will be 2. So 2, 1. In that regard. All right. So thanks for watching.